Hi, welcome all. My name is Vijendra. This is the third video of continuation of last first and second video. If you are not watched it, the link in the description. First, watch the first and second video. First video is a part of how to select a stock for an intraday, and second, how to write the trend with the stock. Okay, so if you are not watch it, just go and watch it. If you are if it the link is in the description as well, you will find in this my Telegram channel. You just have to search it at @VRSML. Okay, so let's start up. So actually, for in the first video, I have missed something. Okay, I have skipped that part, so I will continue this and then we will move to the scanner. So basically, that the miss part is consolidation one. How to find a consolidated stock that you can use for intraday as well. So consolidated stock is nothing. You just have to find a stock which 15 minutes close. Okay, which 15 minutes close is inside the first 15 minutes candle range. Simple. Last 15 minutes candle close need to be closed within the range of first 15 minutes candle. That's it. So this can be like this. Okay, so this can be like this. Okay, 15 minutes candle close here. So this can be like this, or this can be like this. So this can be like this. Okay, see, break, only high break and close inside. There is no high break, close inside. This is a consolidation for me. This is a consolidation for me, and this also. This is a went high break, and this is a low break. Somewhere close inside. Okay, close inside. So this is low break, but not sustained, close inside. This is high break, not sustained, close inside. This is no side break. So both three setup is consolidation for me. If I find any stock, okay, which has a good potential, okay, so I will take this stock for an intraday also. So how to find this stock? So there is a easy skinner available for you. You have to just run before the day. If you want a stock today, if you want a stock, if you want to trade tomorrow and you want stock today, so just I will share all the screener link. There are three screener. First screener is 15 minutes high low break and close inside is the name. So don't go on the name. Okay, just you have to, okay, just you have to copy the link, just paste it, understand what is this. This is basically 1 second. Yeah, so this is basically this is a trigger. If you want a specific price, you can just activate it and put your price if you want to stock within that price range only. So then, but if you don't consider the price range, you want any stock, so you can just switch it off and okay, and search the scan. So this is basically 1 and 2. So this basically high break, 15 minutes high break and 15 minutes low break. Okay, so higher and low break. We are finding the stock which high and low break yesterday. Means today. So we'll take for tomorrow, right? So if I just disable it and run a scan, I will find this stock. Okay, which 46 stocks is there, which which high break. 15 minutes is basically high break and 15 minutes low break. You have to find it's a higher high or only low break, only high break. You just have to find a stock and then check in your trading platform. Okay, so basically this is high and low break for 15 minutes. If you want a stock which is consolidation only, okay, consolidation stock, so just activate this, run a scan, you will find this 41 stock which is close, is inside within the range of first 15 minutes candle. If you want a both setup, that it should be high and low also break and close also inside. So this is a good setup according to me. You can find a scan. This is, you will find 20 stock. Okay, 20 stock you will find for tomorrow. You can choose out of this 20 stock, 3-4 stock you have to choose, and you can do the intraday. If our condition of the intraday on the second video, it should be meet. Okay, Simple. You get a stock, you just check whether it's right or not. Sometime this charting and Zerodha is not matching, but charting and trading view is matching. So according to you, if charting and trading view is matching, just accept that that high something. What happens, Zerodha, suppose high low is broken, showing here voltas. For example, this Indus Tower, you can see Indus Tower. I am searching you Indus Tower for you. Okay, what it is showing, see, only high break but low is not break, but this is a part of high and low break and close inside. Okay, Indus Tower. But if you see this in charting, so you will find, yes, it is 15 minutes here. Okay, this is the 15 minutes candle. See high break and see low also break here. Here also low breaks certainly, and here also. So lower low, higher high break, this setup and close inside. Okay, so this setup is, if you get a good setup in Indus Tower tomorrow, you take, because it's a consolidation for me. It's a trend, good stock for me for a tomorrow trend. Okay, fine. So moving on to the next scanner. This scanner, you will get an idea today only, trading stock tomorrow, but you have to match certain scenario, na? Certain scenario, whether 15 minutes high is breaking immediately. Okay, then second candle of 15 minutes also break and close inside. This has to be matched. Okay, and you don't want to check everything. You want a ready-made stock today. Suppose today is a trading day, I have not picked the stock yesterday, I want today only with condition fulfilled. So what I will do is I will go to the another scanner. Okay, don't go the scanner name. Okay, don't go the scanner name, just I will go to the another scanner here. Okay, so just the same, the first part is same, but the condition is for the last day. So if you want a stock range, you can select it and add your number, add your whatever your price you add, and you can search, but better keep it off only. But if your condition, you will choose only special 1000 to 3000 stock, you can enable it with number adding. Just enable it, write your number and do it. Okay, same, this and this is the same high and low breaker of 50 minutes candle. Okay, this is that 50 consolidation day, that last candle is should be closed within the 15 minutes candle range. Okay, what is this? This is new. So this is basically, if you want to stock, we want to trade a stock which high low and broken. Okay, but we will take only ORB consideration. You are going to take only ORB condition and you want to buy stock. So just enable it and disable this filter. Okay, and run a scan, you will find this 7 stock which ORB gets fulfilled. Only ORB condition is fulfilled for this stock. Okay, then you want a stock where ORB also fulfilled and our 15 minutes immediate break logic also fulfilled. So just disable this filter, enable this both filter and run a scan. You will find this 2 stock. Okay, with high 15 minutes high low also broken, and today, okay, today immediate ORB also fulfilled, and the our 15 minutes immediate break logic also, second candle immediate break logic also fulfilled. So you will get this buy stock. Similarly, same way, if you want to find a sell stock, so just enable this for ORB. Oh, sorry, enable this for ORB. You will find this only ORB break stocks. Okay, if you want to find ORB and our logic, just enable it, run a scan. Simple. Okay, what is this basically? So this is, you if you want to stock which is high 15 minutes high low also broken and close inside also. So you want this stock for a buy. This is ORB setup only. ORB setup, you will get this stock. If you want our all condition that ORB and that condition fulfill, you just have to scan the scanner. Okay, if you want to, and same similar way for a sale also. Okay, if you want a stock which is consolidated yesterday, high low not broken, consolidation, like I explained in the start of the video, only this stock you want, which I missed in the first part, first video, basically. So you just have to You want to only ORB concept for that consolidation stock, you can scan this, you will get 16 stock. But you want our both condition fulfill, ORB and this, you have to run a scan, you will get this 11 stock. Then you want trade, you can take a trade, which stock you want. Okay. So basically similarly for sale also, because last day consolidation, today I want to sell, so there is no stock basically for today. Means it's for I think Tuesday session. Okay, but once the market start, you have to run this scanner on 9:45 to 10. So you will, if you want a perfect setup, this setup you have to run a scanner after 10 o'clock. Okay, because first 9:15 9:30 will make, 9:30 9:45 will make candle, and 9:45 10. So after 10 you will get a complete setup, you just run a scan, you will get a stock. Okay, accordingly to you have to disable and enable which filter you want. Okay, which this is basically for high low 15 minutes break, this is basically for consolidation, and this is basically for our fulfill, this is for ORB fulfill, this is for both fulfill. Okay, you can find a stock for intraday also. So moving on to the third scanner, that in the first video I have explained the RSI part. So RSI, already I have made a video on a RSI on my, you will find on my strategies link. So basically you have to just scan this, just run a scan, you will find all four stock, which 80 also break and 20 also break, 80 break above 80 and below 20. But this is four stock, how we will guess now? This is easily can guess, this is should be a 20, and this is will RSI below 20, and this is RSI above 80 stock. But if you don't want any guesses, just disable it, you will scan it, you will find this is above 80 stocks. Just disable this, enable this, you will find a stock below 20 and rested above 20. So below 20 basically, then you can check whether it is rested or not. Okay, accordingly to you take a trade using our RSI logic. This also I have added, if you want a stock specification you can do this. Okay, if you scan completely, you will get four stock, you just have to guess with which is RSI 20, RSI 80. So I have manually added this filter if you don't want any guesses. So hope you like the video, please do subscribe. Don't subscribe if you like the content, only subscribe. I don't want any subscriber. Basically just you share the knowledge. Okay, if suppose your friend or you are struggling, just share the knowledge. This is the best knowledge, I have back tested many times and it's work almost all the time. The success ratio is around 60 to 70%, which is very good during the intraday trade. Thank you very much. I will, the next video I will share some analysis of the chart. I find this using the scanner, I find a stock and I taken a trade using that. So thank you very much. Happy trading.